DS diving, November 11th here at Facination. Gonna do a quick after clean video. There's still a little bit of heavy foliage. Got pretty much all of it off. Also gonna need some zinc replacements. I will look in the notes to see what the size is, or if I have one. If not, we'll have to put them on this next visit. Let's go take a look how she looks. Looks like 2-inch. I'm going to take a measurement to make sure. It looks like there's two completely missing on the port side shaft. The other side has 2 intact that are good, but it's going to need 1 more, so that'll be a total of 3, hopefully 2-inch, but I'll take a measurement. And then there's a R4 and an R5 that are starting to go bad also. DS diving. Thank you very much.